intent ng aming commanding general ng Philippine Army. He wants to find out the truth so that we can give justice to the death of Corporal. And we want to know how this happened to one of us. Because in the Philippine Army, though Corporal Ramos is already retired, he's still one of us. Consider him as one of us. And we leave no one behind. Sa enforcement ng ECQ, we continue to support the Philippine National Police, and our relationship with the Philippine National Police will always be strong. They are our partners. This is different. We just want to find the truth. Gusto namin malaman katotohanan sa nangyari kay Corporal.